Hello, in this video, we're going to look at how you can create a paper mail link and also where do you find your paper username. To those of you who didn't know, if you don't have a paper mail link, you don't have a username actually, because your names are not your username on PayPal. Your username is the name that you activate on the paper mail link. Okay, so my name is Brian and welcome to my YouTube. Okay. Now, another thing we're going to see is we're going to see if you don't see your paper mail link, what do you do? Or if you can't find it where, how can you enable it? Okay. So in your account, every country has different, some countries have different layout when it comes to their PayPal accounts. Okay. So yours may be slightly different from mine, but you have to make sure you have two options, pay and get paid, and also maybe you can have send and get paid, as long as it means you can send and you can get paid. Okay, so if you have those options active on your menu, you go to a section where it is business tools. Okay, business tools, click on business tools. Business tools, you can go to business tools to generate payment links. Maybe you want someone to pay you on PayPal. So business tools is where you create all that stuff. Okay, so when you click on business tools, you realize I have like PayPal checkout. This one helps you to accept payments on your website. So if you're interested in creating that, you can use that. There's invoicing. If you need to create invoices, that one is for recommendations. Then there is also pay checkout. This is a bit similar to pay checkout, the first one. Then there's our PayPal mail link. Okay, so get your link and get paid. Okay, for the API credentials, these ones are more for the people who are doing e-commerce websites. So when we need to create a PayPal mail link, so you just go to your paypalme.me link, this section, then you click on that. Okay, they're going to tell me like create your link and share it to customers. So customers can pay directly. So let me click on get started. Okay. When you click on get started, you come here. Then you click on create my paper mail link. Add a photo. If you have a photo, maybe you want to add your photo, or maybe it can be charity. You can click add a photo, but I'm not interested now. So let me say not now. Okay, choose your link. Okay, so when they tell me choose your link, I can say I'm not. Okay, maybe I can create out of okay, that one's taken. So if it's taken, you kind of have to find something. Okay, maybe I can say tariff. Okay, this one looks a bit off. I can say I'm not 01 maybe. Whoops, that is also taken. So I can say I'm not TZ. Okay, so I'm going to use that. So I'm not TZ becomes your username. So if you're the owner of this PayPal and someone asks you username, my username is this. The letters that I put after paypal.me / what you put here is your username. So your username is not the names you use in your PayPal account. Your username is what you put here when you're creating your paper mail link. So it means if you don't have a paper mail link, you don't have a username. Okay, so I want to rectify that because most people get mixed up. So let me make sure I don't forget it. So let me kind of copy. Okay, so let me do next. They show me like that is my link. Okay, let me understand. Let me agree and create. Okay, your profile is live. I can say done. For those of you who have maybe created a paper mail link and you want to see how which one you created, you can always go to manage profile. Okay, you can check your username when you go to manage profile. So let me just say done. Okay, So that's how you create a PayPal link to share to your friends, or that's how you create a payment link that you can use on your website, maybe on your social media, whatever you want to use this link for. You can always use this on whatever you want. Okay, so after that, it's active. We're going to see how it looks. Okay, I think I can always find my link when I go to okay, I don't want to go to my profile setting. You see a lot of details, but let me just click here. Let me just go to PayPal me. Actually, you don't have to struggle. You just go to your business tools. Okay. Okay, I can try to go back how I created it. Get started. Okay, so when you go there and you already have a PayPal me link, they'll tell you it's this. So for those of you who wanted to check out what is your PayPal me link, you can always check it out. Okay, so that is my link. All right, so that is done. I think that one answers one of the person who were telling me, like, what if I have a PayPal me link? What do I do? That is how you check your PayPal me link. You try to be as if you're creating. When you have a PayPal me link, you can create another one. Okay, you can maybe delete this one and then you create another one. So what about for those people who say, I can't see where to create this PayPal me link in my account? Like if I go to my account, I can't really find, I can't find PayPal me section. Okay. So now, first of all, not every account has these features. Okay, it has to do with the PayPal. It has to do with the country that you use on your PayPal. Okay, not every country is assigned a PayPal me link. For example, Kenya, Kenya can, I think, work well, but may not really have this feature. Okay, even if your account can receive and send, but you don't have a feature for PayPal me link. So it means unless your account was created with a country which supports this feature, you can't have this feature. All right, you can't have this feature. Then on the home page, you realize there are sections which can help you to request money. There is invoicing. Actually, these are shortcuts to what is under the business tools. There is invoicing. There is request money. Request money. When you request money, you can put the email of the person who wants to pay you, and and you get paid. Send money is when you want to send the money. PayPal me link is the other guy where we went, so it's more of a shortcut. PayPal checkout is for those people who have, maybe you're selling craft, maybe you're selling t-shirts, you have a website, you can have that. Okay, so briefly, that's how you can create PayPal me link. You can leave comments below if you want to know about this feature in PayPal. And there's Jack from, I think my WhatsApp is coming from South Africa. He was asking me about if the account for if this account can receive even without bank details. The answer is yes. This account can receive without putting the bank details. When the money is sent via the PayPal me link, that money will come on this section where you see the PayPal balance. Let me first load my PayPal me link. Okay. You just have to give me like some more minutes. So what was it? I think it was like this, PayPal. Okay, paypal.me / your username. Okay. So when an account can receive, actually when someone sends you the money doesn't come to your card directly. Please note, money, when it's sent via your PayPal mailing, it actually comes to your PayPal variable balance. Even if it's sent to your email, even if maybe there's paid via the website, money first comes here. It's not automatically sent to your bank. Although there's an automatic option where you can set it up, then the money is automatically sent to your bank. But by default, money is not sent directly to your bank. So when money comes here, that's when you can decide to push it to the bank or to withdraw it in any other options as we discussed. You can check out the link. You can withdraw the money which comes on this platform. I think I'm going to link the link in the description, okay? Because not everyone may put the bank details on PayPal. For some reason, some people actually don't put the bank details. So there are options how you can withdraw this money without using the bank account. So this is how the PayPal mail link looks. If I load it, I can click on send. So the person is send this link, that's all. Someone can say send. When the person wants to send you money, clicks on send, I think it usually just has to put, sorry, I'm logged in an account, so I'll be as if I'm paying myself, so I can't do it when I'm logged in, okay? So, but if you send it to your person who wants to send you the money, when he clicks on it, he will be prompted to put the amount, then he sends you the money. I think that's all. I will wait for your comments below, and I will appreciate if you leave me a subscription, and bye bye. Thank you.